Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your stop lamp bulb and your turn signal bulb on your Buick Enclave. First, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and remove these little covers. You take a little flat tip screwdriver, stick in the hole that's there for them, just give it a little pry, and it'll pop right out. All it does is hang down. The same thing with the bottom. Sometimes they'll come out, they got little holes that they just slide in. If it comes out, don't worry about it, just put it back in when you're done. Next, you have two little 7mm in here. I'm going to go ahead and take something and remove them. Once you have them out the way, all you got to do is come to the edge of the light on the inside, slide it, and it'll fall right out. Once it's down, if you want, you can go ahead and disconnect the harness, or you can leave it in and just remove this socket and replace the bulb. We're going to do it on the other toolbox over there. Alright, the bulbs that you need to do this are 7443s. I'll put them in the description if you'd like to buy them. You can pick them up off Amazon, fairly inexpensive, less than 10 bucks. But what we want to do is we want to go ahead and grab the socket, and you're just going to turn it and slide it out. Once it's out, grab the bulb, just wiggle it a little bit, and it'll come right out in your hand. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and take our new bulbs, go ahead and install a new one. All we got to do, just the way it came out, stick it in, slide it in, put it in, twist it and lock it in, as so. Once you've replaced it, we're going to go ahead and take the connector, plug it back in. What we're going to do is we're going to install this guide pin first. It goes right here in this connector. Make sure the harness ain't hanging out. Slide it in and just seat it all the way home. Just like that. Once you have that done, we're going to go ahead and install the 7s. Reinstall the little clips. Just like that. And you're done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, or click one of these other videos wherever they are. Thanks again for watching.